February in the UK is often very dull and grey, but we have lots to inspire you this month, so you won't even notice. Valerie returns with her Take 9 quilting project, which uses up a bundle of 9 fat quarters, and Jennie Rayment twiddles and fiddles again to create this lovely 3D lily block. Our product of the month is the extremely useful Iron Caddy tote bag pattern, which not only allows you to carry your iron around safely, even when warm, so it's perfect for all of you who attend workshops, but also provides you with a small ironing surface. Valerie takes us through the steps to make your own. For the embroiderers amongst you, we are featuring stump work with professional embroiderer Kelley Aldridge, who not only gives us a little insight into the history of this traditional form of embroidery, but also takes us through the steps needed to create this 3D work. If you enjoy colouring in, then the workshop with Lee Brown will be perfect, as she shows you how to create these beautiful flower designs using Markel pens, which you can then use to make some lovely cushions. And our colleague Sue Rhodes has just returned from the USA with inspiration from the Big Apple and shares this New York beauty workshop, which includes a great tip on fast piecing. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £7 a month.